So, that's the wheelie bar. I think we'll get hold of the Truggy and find out why this slipper clutch is always slipping. Get the Truggy sorted. So we're getting somewhere. Oops. Just take your time on stuff like this, you know, there's no rush. Let's just shove this over here. The body of the Bugster. Body up. So right then, what we're looking at here, obviously the motor, the gearbox. So right then, let's have a look which one we're doing here. Get the wheel off the cam. Umbrella, there we go. Put that over there. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Let's take this off. Right then, so 1, 2, 3 little bolts, go on to that. There we go. Let's just try it again, double check before I put it all back together, because I'll have to double check. Lift her up, there we go. Reverse, forward. Yeah, she's fine, absolutely fine. Turn off. We've got the slipper clutch done on the Truggy. So I'll catch you guys in 5. Ciao for now.